Sheet mulching to remove lawn around trees. A presentation of University of Nevada, Reno Extension. Did you know that lawn roots compete with tree roots for water? Neither lawns nor trees grow well when their roots are in the same space. To ensure proper tree root health, consider removing lawn from around the base of your trees. Removing lawn from around trees promotes deep rooting of your trees, helps your trees grow bigger and stronger, and saves you money on your water bill. A great technique to accomplish all this is sheet mulching. Sheet mulching around your trees with organic matter is a safe, easy way to remove lawn without disturbing the tree's roots. Sheet mulching is layering different kinds of organic materials in thin sheets, one on top of the other. This graphic shows how to layer your organic materials. First, a layer of compost on top of the turfgrass lawn, then a layer of cardboard on top of the compost, next, another layer of compost on top of the cardboard, and finally, a layer of organic mulch over the top of the pile. Arrange each layer in a circle around the tree's roots, out to the edge of the tree's canopy. Thoroughly water after applying each layer. This is a cutaway of the resulting pile, showing how the layers fit together. Note the 2 to 3 inch space between the sheet mulch layers and the tree's trunk. This space prevents damage to the tree's trunk as the materials decompose. Today, we are going to demonstrate the 3 steps of sheet mulching. 1. Gathering the sheet mulch materials. 2. Preparing the ground. And 3. Laying the sheet mulch layers. First step, gathering the sheet mulch materials. The materials you need are a wheelbarrow to haul materials, shredded bark or chipped wood mulch, compost, flattened cardboard boxes with stickers and packing tape removed, a shovel to load and layer materials, a hose connected to a water source, a hand spade to dig out weeds, a lawnmower, and a soil probe or long screwdriver to test the depth of watering. To figure out how much sheet mulch material to purchase, you first need to know how large the critical root zone area around your tree is. The critical root zone area around your tree is the surface area of the ground shaded by your tree's leaf canopy. You can calculate your tree's critical root zone area by squaring the diameter of your tree's canopy, which is the diameter times the diameter, and multiplying that by 0.7854. The canopy diameter is measured in feet from one edge of the tree's leaf canopy to the other. For example, let's say your tree's canopy diameter measures 6 feet. 6 feet times 6 feet times 0.7854 equals 28.27 square feet of area. This tells you how much surface area you need to cover. Now you need to consider the depth of the sheet mulch layers. Here is an easy way to calculate the amount of mulch you will need, taking into consideration the surface area and the depth. Multiply the tree's root zone area in square feet by the depth in feet of your mulch layer. This will tell you the total volume in cubic feet of mulch to buy. In our example, we have 28.27 square feet to cover. The depth of our mulch layer will be 2 inches. We convert inches to feet to keep everything equivalent. 2 inches divided by 12 inches equals 0.167 feet. 28.27 square feet times 0.167 equals 4.72 cubic feet of mulch needed. We'll round that up to 5 cubic feet for ease of understanding. So in our example, you should purchase at least 5 cubic feet of mulch. Since you need 1 layer of mulch and 2 layers of compost, you should purchase at least twice as much compost as mulch. So, you should also purchase at least 10 cubic feet of compost. Now that you have your sheet mulch materials, it's time to get to work. Second step, preparing the ground. Carefully remove any weeds in the area. Hand pulling is best, but use a hand spade for deep-rooted weeds. Mow the lawn and leave the grass clippings in place. Water the area thoroughly and deeply with a hose. Make sure the water penetrates at least a foot into the ground by using a soil probe or long screwdriver inserted into the ground. Third step, laying the sheet mulch layers. Lay down 2 inches of compost to cover the area of lawn around your tree. This should use up about half of the compost you purchased. Water thoroughly. Next, place a layer of cardboard over the compost, overlapping the edges of the cardboard by 6 to 8 inches. You want to completely block the light to prevent weeds from sprouting. Wet the cardboard thoroughly. Place 2 inches of compost on top of the cardboard and water again thoroughly. Watering after each layer will help start the decomposition process. The final layer is 2 inches of organic mulch, such as wood chips or shredded bark. Remember to water the mulch thoroughly after it's laid. Watering will keep the mulch in place and prevent it from blowing around in the wind. Some rules to remember. Overlap the layers of cardboard by 6 to 8 inches to block light from penetrating and weeds from growing. Water thoroughly after each layer. Keep sheet mulch materials a few inches away from the tree trunk to prevent trunk damage. Depending on soil temperatures, it can take a few months for the decomposition to really take hold. The decomposition of organic matter applied during sheet mulching improves your soil's ability to hold water, increases root access to oxygen by improving water drainage, and feeds the life of your soil, the bacteria, fungi, and beneficial soil-dwelling insects that make water, air, and nutrients available to your tree.